It's interesting, Keith, that this last day of meteorological winter started out pretty cold this morning in particular, and yet you were saying in general, not a cold winter.
No, I'm working with the NWS on getting the exact number right, because we have records that go back to the 1800s, some that go back to the 40s, and the thermometer moved around and all that. But we can say for sure it is above average by a good margin.
Also, I am wildly impressed that you knew that.
Thank you. Yeah, I was going to say that, but then you gave me something I had to talk about, and I didn't know if I could go back to it. But yeah, like I didn't even say it yet, did I? And he just already knew it.
It's not my first rodeo.
Yeah, that's true. And this is why Pat's on your Trivial Pursuit team, as I've always said. Pat and Rob, just a killer team. All right, 20 right now in Portland, 18 in Wisconsin. Yeah, it was a cold day today, but we round out the season. We'll get the exact numbers here probably tomorrow on that. But it will be an above average winter. Of course, you know, maybe meteorological winter ending, but actual winter does not end here in Maine on March 1st. Here's a look at the radar. Our next storm system is just a little Alberta Clipper. Just a quick history on this. Our boss man wanted me to point out, why do we call it a Alberta Clipper? Well, Alberta because that's the province in Canada that they originate, and then Clipper because it was named after a fast ship in the 19th century. So there you go, Alberta Clipper moving our way. It means it'll move quickly through. And really, overnight tonight, no problems. Temperatures do drop down into the single digits and below zero, though, into the mountains. Clouds increase pretty rapidly tomorrow, and then here comes that light snow that these are known for, these clippers are known for. And the snow overspreads, I think, a good part of the state by the evening commute. Light to occasional moderate bursts of snow, and then just enough warm air might get involved here along the coast tomorrow evening to change over or mix with rain, and so snowfall totals there will be lesser. But into Bangor and Waterville and up into Millinocket, I think some local enhancement of the snow will allow them to have several inches of accumulation. Clear out. Wednesday's a bright day, temperatures right around freezing or so, and then another clipper comes through on Wednesday night into Thursday morning. This one perhaps a little beefier over southern Maine, where we could see a couple of inches of accumulation there through Thursday morning, but it's out of here quickly, and Thursday afternoon we're back to some sunshine. So two quick moving kind of weak storm systems to deal with this week, but enough that you have to pay some attention to them. Coating to 2 inches here for a good part of the state, and that includes Bar Harbor, as we'll change over 2 to 4 into Bangor, and I'm not sure we'll see a ton of floors, but I think 2 or 3 inches is pretty achievable with a high enough fluff factor here and enough snow coming through tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. So that's the story of this week, is 2 weak little systems that come through. We'll quiet on Friday and Saturday. Next storm after that would come through on Sunday. That could be a mix as temperatures get warmer. By the way, guys, I'm remiss. We have to mention this. We talked about it a little bit before. So Alberta Clipper, but if the system originates in other places in Canada, it's a Saskatchewan Screamer, Manitoba Mauler, or Ontario Scario. So those are ones that you don't hear as often, but they are technically possible.
As a kid, I used to hear about the Montreal Express.
Yeah.
And I don't know if that was a real thing or not.
No, I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah. It's not as catchy as the other one, so we're going to dismiss it, I think.
Right. But it is on the trivia questionnaire.
Yeah, so keep that in mind. We'll be back after this.